Maya, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually I don't know what I'm going to do today. I just wanted to make a YouTube video. Let me think. Okay, wait, let me get a second to think. Wait, let me get the thingy-majig. Wait. Okay guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you guys all my slimes. So like the slimes I made. So on the first one I call green apple crunchy slime. It's really hard to play with because it's like pretty fun. Yeah, okay, doesn't make sense, but whatever. Look. Okay, so the next I like to call ocean slime, and there's also a little crab in it. Well, this is a clear slime. Oh, and look. Oh, let me show you the little crab. Okay, that's the little crab. Let me put it back in. And it's super clicky, and it's amazing. And it's so moist and soft. Okay, the next slime was actually it was like a fail. It was like a really bad fail. Okay. One second. I gotta find it. Oh, that's what happened to my dollar. Okay. So this one was terrible. And it came out terrible. And it fell on the floor. And it was like disgusting. So wait. Okay, guys. So this one is very disgusting. It doesn't even stretch. And it's like not even slime actually. It's just like a jiggly thingy. Look. It's like a literal booger. It feels like store-bought slime, but trust me, it took a lot of stuff to put. I was testing it from stuff. There's Metamucil, and then I put food coloring. It looks kind of bright here, but it's not a bright green. It's like a dark, gross, garbage can green. Okay, let me put it back into this thing. Look at the sound it makes. Listen. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And what else should I show you guys? I don't know. I don't have any more slime here because I'm in Italy. I'm in a hotel. Anyways, that's like the 3 slimes. And the other day, the other day I went to Burger King and I got this, but I got it twice. You go like this. Like that. Okay, whatever. That's it. And so yeah. Then yeah. Oh slime, oh slime. I love my slime to pieces. It's so amazing. Amazing. Me. Slime. This. My sexy slime. My slime. No. Get away from me. Actually, you're not that bad. Smell like butt though. You wiggle a lot. You're like a jiggly putty slime. But anyways, you're a loner. Bye. Okay guys, please excuse that. Yes!